tribalism, and the most urgent thing is to unite the country. There is no community in Kenya that has a problem with any other community. Even you people of the press who are here, you are from different communities and you have no issue with each other. Kenyans are all united against oppression, against poverty, and against all the evils that bedevil the republic. We want to tell William Ruto, don't tell the people of Kenya that the problem is tribalism and lack of unity in the country, because you know it's a lie. That is diversionary. The problem of Kenya is theft of public resources. The problem of Kenya is wanton corruption. The problem of Kenya is misappropriation of public resources. The problem of Kenya is disregard of the rule of law. The problem of Kenya is abductions and extrajudicial killings. The problem of Kenya is wanton and open and shameless bribery in State House of Kenyan voters. Those are the problems that bedevil our country. So please, let people not be swayed and diverted to chase a false narrative about tribalism and lack of unity in the country. Those are not challenges in this country at all. The problem of this country today is the raiding of the payslip. All workers are in anguish. Their payslips have been raided. Those are the real challenges that faces the people of Kenya. So as we proceed to Christmas, let the people of Kenya focus on what ails our country, so that we can get a solution, and the solution is one term, and that is the way it is, and that is the way it shall be. So let's all stay focused, and I ask the media and commentators to focus on the real challenges that face this country, and those problems are real. And if you talk to Kenyans when you go for Christmas, they'll tell you we have a challenge of a destroyed education system, we have a challenge of a failed health system. Those are the challenges before the people of Kenya. Let William Ruto not cheat the people of Kenya that there is a problem of lack of unity in the country. All Kenyans are united against poverty, against oppression, against misappropriation of public resources, against sale of public assets. Those are the real challenges that face our country, and we want you media to help us to really anchor the real challenges that face the people of Kenya. So hata nyinyi watu ya media pia tunatakia nyinyi Christmas. You know, for those of you who will go to Nakuru and Western Kenya, mkifika pale Limuru where Ruto launched the Rironi Mau Summit Road, there is only a signboard. There is no equipment, not even a wheelbarrow. So the real challenge of this country is lies by William Ruto. You know, he was there in a very grand ceremony. I want to challenge you, those of you who are going to that part of the country. When you reach Limuru past Kwambera, you slow down. There is only a signboard. There is nothing. And he launched the road with a lot of fanfare. You know, there is nothing going on. And elsewhere, there is nothing that is going on. Na wale mnaenda Western, mkifika huko mwambie watu ya Kakamega wasikubali gold yao iuzwe na watu wengine. You know, the whole of Western, there is a lot of gold under. Ile shimo anachiba pale, hiyo ni ya kuingia huko chini. The gold is all over the whole of Western Kenya, and that gold is preserved. It will wipe out poverty from Western Kenya. And we are asking the people of Western Kenya to resist the theft of their gold until we form government, so that we can negotiate with the people of Western Kenya. How does that gold benefit them? Because it's God-given. They were given by God free of charge, and it must count for something, and it must transform their lives. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Kijia amenikumbusha Kalonzo alienda kwa ile barabara ililonchiwa akapata hakuna kitu. Hiyo ni vile vile. Tukaambiwa kuna watu walikuja wakibeba vidole viwili wakafikiria ni 2 term. Tukumbe wanasema na imebaki miaka 2 tu mtu aende. Na tuko hapa na kiongozi wa DP, former Attorney General, former Speaker, ambaye nataka nimwalike aje. He's also come out of a meeting